everyone.
Today I received my first entry for my challenge giveaway. It's from Evi. Sorry Evi, I don't know how to pronounce your family name. So it's from Evi and she sent it wrapped in this wrapping paper. So this is what she sent. Here's the card to my new crafty friend. Very nice. Oh, she says, "Hello, my new crafty friend. Here are my 3 entries. I did all as I like to do all 3. Good luck with the challenge. I hope you have many entries coming in. Take care and thank you for this challenge, Evi." Thank you, Evi, for joining the challenge. Oh, this is the tag she made. Oh, this is very pretty. I love the color. And her craft style is vintage. She loves fairies and her favorite color is blue and vintage pink. And the flowers. Oh, this is so pretty. It's made of lace and there's a feather behind. Oh, thank you, Evi. This is very pretty. The other one. Then the stickers. Birthday wishes. Thank you, Evi. These are very cute. I love flowers, and she wrapped her entries with this handkerchief. Cute flowers. Thank you, Evi, for participating. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye. Oh, I forgot. Evi will get 3 entries because she sent a tag, stickers, and flowers.